Hey there! Looking for the top 5 best stick welder for home projects or professional jobs? In today's video on budget buying, we'll break down the most powerful, portable, and reliable stick welders you can get right now. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Eioehtl stick welder. The Eioehtl stick welder is a compact yet powerful welding solution designed for both professional use and serious DIY applications. Built with portability and performance in mind, it delivers reliable results across workshops, job sites, farms, and home repair environments. One of its standout features is dual voltage 110-volt/220-volt auto switching, allowing the welder to automatically adapt to different power sources without manual adjustment. This makes it highly versatile for use in various locations, from household outlets to industrial job site power supplies. At its core, the machine delivers true 250-ampere professional-grade output, enabling it to handle electrodes from 3/32 inches to 1/8 piece. It provides strong penetration for welding stainless steel, carbon steel, cast iron, and sheet metal, making it suitable for fabrication work, maintenance tasks, and demanding repair projects. The welder is equipped with a large LED digital display, giving users real-time visibility of current and mode settings. This improves precision and efficiency by reducing interruptions during welding, allowing adjustments to be made quickly without removing protective gear. Advanced IGBT inverter technology ensures a stable and smooth arc with reduced spatter. Combined with intelligent voltage compensation, the machine maintains consistent performance even when input power fluctuates, which is especially useful in remote areas or when using long extension cables. To enhance usability, it includes hot start, arc force, and anti-stick functions. These features improve arc ignition, increase penetration control, and prevent electrode sticking, making it easier for beginners while offering fine control for experienced welders. The unit supports a wide range of commonly used electrodes including E6010, E6013, E7018, and E30816, covering most everyday welding needs across different materials. Completing the package is a portable and lightweight design at just 8.58 pounds, along with a built-in handle for easy transport. The kit also includes an electrode holder, ground clamp, welding brush, and 10 welding rods, making it ready for immediate use. Overall, the Eioehtl stick welder combines power, portability, and intelligent features into a practical welding tool designed for versatile real-world applications. Coming in at number 4, the Hgnvgz stick welder. Hgnvgz stick welder is a high-performance welding machine designed to deliver stable power, precision control, and smooth welding results for both beginners and DIY users, as well as general maintenance work. Equipped with a 250-ampere stable current system and upgraded IGBT inverter technology, this welder ensures consistent arc performance with reduced spatter. The smart voltage regulator and powerful arc force technology help maintain arc stability, allowing deeper metal penetration and producing clean, strong, and visually smooth weld beads. It melts metal efficiently, making welding feel controlled and precise even during demanding tasks. For extended working sessions, the welder features a 360-degree large area heat dissipation system. A high-performance cooling fan keeps the machine operating at low temperature, preventing overheating during continuous use. The ABS housing further improves durability by offering better heat resistance and insulation compared to traditional metal shells, enhancing long-term reliability. Ease of use is improved through a smart LCD digital display that clearly shows welding current settings. Users can quickly read and adjust parameters, making setup simple and efficient. The machine also includes multiple safety protections such as overheat protection, overcurrent protection, and overload protection, ensuring safer operation in different working conditions. The welder also integrates hot start, arc force, and anti-stick functions, improving ignition stability and reducing electrode sticking issues. It supports 1/16 1/8-inch welding rods and works effectively with welding material thickness from 0.06 to 0.2 inches. It is especially suitable for carbon steel and other common metals, while stainless steel welding can be achieved using appropriate specialized electrodes. These features help improve welding efficiency, reduce material damage, and support more energy-efficient operation. Overall, the Hgnvgz stick welder combines power, safety, and smart control features to deliver a reliable welding experience for home projects, repairs, and skill development. At number 3, we have the Hpoouo stick welder. The Hpoouo stick welder is a compact and upgraded 200-ampere welding machine designed for both beginners and DIY enthusiasts who need reliable performance for home repairs and light industrial tasks. Operating on a standard 110-volt power supply, it features an adjustable current range from 20 ampere to 200 ampere, allowing users to handle a variety of metal thicknesses from 0.06 to 0.2 inches. It comes with 20 welding rods and is suitable for materials such as mild steel and cast iron, making it a versatile solution for everyday welding needs. Built with portability in mind, this mini welding machine is extremely lightweight and easy to transport. Measuring just 7.8 x 3.9 x 5.3 inches and weighing only 3.7 pounds, it can be carried effortlessly to different work sites. Its compact design makes it especially convenient for users who require mobility without compromising on performance. At the core of the device is advanced digital IGBT inverter control technology, which enables precise current adjustment within microseconds. This ensures improved stability, smoother welding output, and deeper penetration. The result is clean, consistent weld beads whether working on thin sheets or thicker structural metals. The machine also integrates hot start, arc force, and anti-stick functions, helping users achieve quick arc ignition while preventing electrode sticking for smoother operation. Safety and durability are also key highlights of this welder. It includes built-in protection against overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, and overload conditions. A high-speed cooling fan enhances heat dissipation, ensuring stable performance and extending the lifespan of the device even during extended use. The Hpoouo stick welder supports more than 90% of common welding rods, including AWS E6013, E6011, E6010, and E308 types ranging from 1.6 mm to 3.2 mm. This wide compatibility makes it suitable for various welding applications. Proper terminal connection is recommended depending on rod type to ensure optimal performance. Overall, this welding machine combines portability, intelligent control, and broad compatibility, making it a practical choice for home users and hobby welders seeking efficiency and convenience in a compact form. Next up at number 2 is the Hpoouo stick welder. The Hpoouo stick welder is a compact and upgraded arc welding machine designed to deliver stable performance, ease of use, and strong versatility for both beginners and experienced welders. Built with improved efficiency, it features an upgraded duty cycle that enhances working capability, offering 40% at 120 ampere and 40% at 140 ampere. This improvement ensures longer continuous operation and better productivity during welding tasks. At the core of the machine is advanced digital IGBT inverter technology, which significantly improves control and reliability. This system ensures a stable arc, consistent welding current, and smoother welding output. The integrated arc force function enhances penetration, producing cleaner and more uniform weld beads, especially effective in low-current applications where precision is essential. The welder is compatible with a wide range of welding rods, including AWS E6013, E7018, and E6011 electrodes in sizes from 1/16 inches to 1/8. It also supports E6010 cellulose electrodes, making it suitable for welding mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. Its hot start feature allows for quick and easy arc ignition, simply by striking the electrode against the workpiece. Safety and stability are key highlights of this machine. It includes anti-stick functionality to prevent electrodes from sticking, along with multiple built-in protection systems such as overheat, overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, and short-circuit protection. These safeguards ensure secure and reliable operation in different working conditions. Ease of use is another strong advantage. The digital display shows real-time welding current and provides clear fault indications, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Whether used by professional welders or first-time users, the interface is straightforward and intuitive. Designed for portability, The Hgnvgz Stick Welder features a lightweight and compact structure with a convenient carrying handle, allowing easy transport and storage. It can be used in workshops, construction sites, or home projects with equal convenience. Backed by responsive customer support, it offers assistance within 24 hours, ensuring a smooth user experience from setup to operation. Finally, at number 1, we have the Hgnvgz Stick Welder. The Hgnvgz Stick Welder is a versatile dual-voltage DC stick and TIG-capable welding machine designed to handle a wide range of fabrication and repair tasks. With an output range of 10 to 225 amps, it provides the flexibility needed for both light-duty projects and more demanding industrial applications. Whether working on thin sheet metal or heavier steel structures, this welder delivers consistent performance across multiple materials and thicknesses. Built with portability in mind, the unit weighs only 20 pounds, making it easy to carry between job sites or around the workshop. Its compact inverter design is complemented by a built-in toolbox-style top, offering convenient storage space for cables and essential accessories. This thoughtful design helps keep tools organized and ready for use whenever needed. In terms of performance, the Hgnvgz Stick Welder is engineered to produce a smooth and stable arc, allowing for clean and strong welds. It is capable of welding 12-gauge sheet metal up to 5/16 inches steel in a single pass, ensuring efficiency during fabrication work. The machine also features a 30% duty cycle at 225 amperes on 230-volt input, supporting extended operation for more intensive welding tasks. Flexibility is further enhanced with its TEG-ready capability. Featuring touch start TIG functionality, the welder allows users to easily switch between stick and TIG welding processes, expanding its usability for precision work as well as general-purpose welding. To ensure users can get started right away, the Hgnvgz Stick Welder comes with a complete accessory kit. This includes a shoulder strap for easy carrying, a 13-feet work cable with clamp, a 13-feet electrode cable with holder, and a 6-feet input cable equipped with a 650p plug, along with a 515p adapter. This all-in-one package provides everything needed for efficient setup and operation across different work environments. Choose the right stick welder and power up your next project. Check the price link in the description to find the best option for your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more tool reviews and buying guides.